If you ever wanted the perfect livestock guardian dog, there she is. I already heard her barking a couple times during the night. Maybe a raccoon or something. But at 10 weeks old, I think she's already learning. And she's already really getting along great with the animals. These dogs have 2 coats of fur. So that mud that you see there, as soon as it dries up, it'll be gone. Alaska, come. Come on. Dangerously close to Chungus. What are you barking at? What? It's just a bird. It's not hurting anything. Better watch out, Alaska.